Hi, it's Tom from Beautiful Guitars. Today we've got an awesome unboxing of this Ibanez Prestige guitar. So you can see even the box is it's a very unique. This is the inside box. As you can see, it's a hard case which looks very beautiful. And let's see, what do we have here. Voila! This is the beautiful Ibanez Satriani signature model, the JS Chromeboy. And what is special about this Chromeboy, though Chromeboy were made from 2018 name show by Ibanez, then the Chromeboy that they started had a bit of quality issues regarding the application of the chrome on the guitar that resembles that of the JS series, JS2480. So it's a similar guitar. The difference is the chrome finish on the older body. And now Ibanez has sort of improved on the quality of the chrome applied to this older body of this JS Chromeboy guitar. And this is the 30th anniversary of Joe Satriani collaborating with Ibanez with his signature model. So you can see it's a very beautiful chrome on the body, or the body. So that's the front. Incredible bridge for the tremolo. Then the chrome control knobs there. This is the pickup switch, three-way switch, and this is a sustainiac, so-called normal. Then here you start to activate your sustainiac. The sustainiac is in this single pickup. A neck pickup, and this is the first time that Ibanez has got a sustainiac on their guitar, and that's full application of the sustainiac. So harmonization normal, and then it's off, and that's a high pass filter there, so that when you reduce your volume you don't lose your top end. In some guitars is called a treble bleed circuit. So it's an HS configuration. So that's the front, and this is the beautiful back. And see So that it's made in Japan, Ibanez. New ideas for today's musicians, and that's what's written there from Joe Satriani. And what's special this 30th anniversary is that it's got Joe Satriani signature, and that's so it's got a 3-piece neck, beautifully crafted. Those are the tuners, and then the headstock from the front is the JS series, and that finish on the headstock is reflective and magnificent. Also complementary and matches the chrome on the body of the guitar. Then obviously the Floyd Rose, the system there. Okay, so what is special about this guitar is that only 200 were made, and this is the only one in the African continent for beautiful guitars. So it's a very rare, and as you know, all they were sold out immediately. It is an incredible story for me how I found the guitar, because I was not aware about the release of this 30th anniversary Chromeboy release. Then on one of the Ibanez groups, somebody showed this Chromeboy that has been released, but they're all sold out already. So I thought, oh, maybe I can still buy through the internet, but obviously secondary market, very expensive. I decided, no, I'm not going to bother myself. Bad luck for me. When I went to my local music shop in Johannesburg, then I found this Chromeboy with that is indeed is a limited edition. And then because they're an Ibanez shop, that's how they managed to have at least one Chromeboy in the African continent, and therefore that's how I managed to have it. Then it has been set up, and so obviously when I bought the guitar, it was set up by the luthier. Obviously it's got also a Floyd Rose, so that's why it's still in tune, and it keeps tune very, very, very well. And then also the Satriani is incredible. So this is an amazing guitar. So in the next month or two, we'll take it through its paces to see how. So it's a high performance guitar. Once you plug it on the amplifier, it's incredible sound, this guitar. Joe Satriani uses Marshall, so we can use something close to it. We've got 2 black stars, and also I've got Mesa Boogie Mark V that we can take it through its paces. And here, this is an incredible guitar. It gathered dust and fingerprints quite easily. That's one of the disadvantages. And also that you can damage the chrome if you've got something metal, so you have to be careful not to do that. But however, I've got this cloth that after playing the guitar, you can just wipe off all the fingerprints and the dust that have accumulated. Then it looks like new again. But it's an amazing machine. always unboxing these guitars, always important thing about the case candy, especially when you've got the high-end guitar. So the first one is this multi-purpose tool for truss rod adjustment, Floyd adjustment, intonation, and so on. That's the one, and the second one is the other parts. This one used again for intonation of the guitar, of the strings adjustments there. Then here I've got carbon fiber tremolo, and it's an incredible tremolo system where you can dive bomb both forward and backward. And then you can see there are two bushings underneath, so it also has got two spare bushings when these are worn out. So I use tremolo sparingly, so it should last quite long. And then these are just stickers of on the guitar. This just to show that the guitar was inspected, inspection card, and that this guitar was inspected on the 27th of March 2018 in Japan. And this one is the Ibanez manual. You see it's JS1CR for Chrome, and this is guitar is referred to as JS1CR30 because the 30th anniversary edition, which is a limited edition. It has got this beautiful certificate of authenticity signed by Joe Satriani, and again it's in Chrome, and Joe Satriani and Ibanez guaranteeing the quality of this guitar. But however, they do indicate due to the fineness of the chrome, it can easily be damaged, or some small defects which are expected. But they really improved from the initial Chromeboy that they did. This is the best, which lasts much longer than the first one they did when they were still experimenting on how to put chrome on the older body. So it looks beautiful. So that's Joe Satriani's signature model, JS1CR30 limited edition, which is an incredible high performance guitar made in Japan. The quality is amazing. Nothing could find that has any defect, either in the factory or transportation. So the hard case really protected this valuable cargo. So in the next month or two, we'll take you through its basis and hear how magnificent this guitar is. That's the first one. The second one will also compare it to Steve Vai's 3761 PR, which are both Ibanez. Obviously the configuration are different, but it would be nice to just have that comparison between these two high-end guitars and show the difference and what is common within them, that maybe they are Tremolo system and Fledroid system. They made by Ibanez, a custom shop in Japan. They've got some commonality, but however there are differences within the pickup system that are different. But it would be very interesting to do that. So that's it from Beautiful Guitars. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and tell us what do you think about the Joe Satriani's Chromeboy. Joe Satriani, I first started to know about him in 1993, so I was very late to know about him. So I was watching TV, then this video came along, him, Joe Satriani, playing the song Always With Me, Always With You, and it blew me off. I had to run to my nearest CD shop to get the CD where this song was coming from. Always With Me, Always with You. It was coming from this album, Surfing with an Alien. Then since then I was then blown. When I got the album and played, could see he's playing instrumental music, and it's quite incredible. And then Always With Me, Always With You has always been my favorite, even today. And this is also one of his albums that is quite incredible as well. Black Swans and Wormhole Wizards, which is quite incredible, and it's an amazing guitar. I understand, as you know, the two, Steve Vai and Joe Satriani, they are both with Ibanez, and Joe Satriani taught Steve Vai how to play guitar, and most people, or at least some people, say maybe Steve Vai plays more better than Joe Satriani. But if you check with Steve Vai, he's just been an amazing person to practice and practice and practice, and because he said he was not very talented, and maybe that's why he sounds so incredible. But Joe Satriani is incredible as well. So thank you very much. Don't forget again to like, comment and subscribe to Beautiful Guitars channel, and also tell us how much do you like about this beautiful Chromeboy, limited edition, only 200 made worldwide, all sold out. And also wait out for the when we review this guitar thoroughly from top to bottom, and run through its paces, through amps to play it. And the second video will be where we sort of comparing it to Steve Vai Ibanez Signature Series 3761 PR. Though they are different, but it will be very good video to see the two high-end Ibanez signature models going toe-to-toe, showing the commonality and the differences. Before I go, also from next month we'll be giving away one guitar every month for the next 8 months, so from April to November. And the first guitar giveaway is a Fender Squier Stratocaster, and for you to qualify you must subscribe to Beautiful Guitars channel, like and subscribe to all our videos that we have put out so far, and subsequent videos that will be putting up weekly basis, just before we nominate or choose a winner on the last week of April 2022. Cheers.